Half cup spicy dry red chilli and half cup Kashmiri dry red chilli. Then 1 cup chana dal, 1 cup tur dal, 1 cup coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 2 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon jeera, 1 tablespoon hing, 1 tablespoon turmeric and 1 tablespoon salt. Take a flat heavy bottomed pan and cut the chilies into small pieces so that it will be easier to make the powder in the coffee grinder or whichever grinder you're using. The reason we are using half of Kashmiri dry chili and half of other dry chili is the Kashmiri chilies will give you the color and the other dry red chili will give you the heat and the flavor. Dry roast them for about 10 minutes. Keep stirring it all the time so it won't get burnt. So keep stirring the red chilies with a wooden spoon, and because it has to start becoming slightly darker and start smelling also good. So keep stirring. It takes about anywhere between 8 to 10 minutes depending on the pan. After about 10 minutes, just keep it aside and use the same pan to dry roast rest of the ingredients. You can dry roast the coriander seeds for about 5 to 7 minutes, and by 7 minutes it should be done. The same way, dry roast rest of the ingredients. You can add all of them together, because roasting the red dry chili is the main part, because you can't mix the red chili with other ingredients. It won't dry roast them properly. So you can do this all together. Dry roast them for about 5 minutes. But keep stirring continuously or it can get burnt. Keep them aside. Now you can take a coffee grinder or any grinder that you have, and you can start powdering the chili, the red dry chili first, and then you can mix it along with this and make them all together into a fine powder. At this point you can add the 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is like a preservative, and it also maintains the color and it also preserves the ingredients. So 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of hing. Hing, turmeric, turmeric, salt. I use the coffee grinder to powder these ingredients. After you grind everything, just mix all the powders together, all the ground ingredients together well, so everything is kind of mixed well. That will be the salt, the turmeric and the hing and the chili powder, everything, and store them in a dry airtight containers. I gently refrigerate them and keep, so I can use it. This powder will last me for about 6 months, and so I store them in an airtight container and I refrigerate them. You can either keep it in the freezer or in the refrigerator depending on the usage. For me it lasts about 6 months.